Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to enable or turn on DLNA media server in Windows 11 PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you want enable DLNA media server, follow my simple steps. First of all, you have to go control panel. In this, double click on network and sharing center. Then double click media streaming option. Now you can see here turn on media streaming. Just click on turn on media streaming. After clicking this, DLNA media server is enable or turn on. That's it guys. So in this you turn on or enable DLNA media server in Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.